Today we're doing an update from South Canterbury. That's another region that experienced quite a lot of rain in August, but the arrival of the nor'wester has dried things out and warmed them up, and the grass growth has been quite strong and healthy. On the dairying front, calving is 80% of the way through and milk production is off to quite a good start to the season, so let's hope that continues. Lambing is also well underway and the scanning results are more positive than last year, so that does suggest lambing percentages could be a bit higher. Now, it hasn't been the greatest weather-wise, so let's hope that all farmers going through this part of the season get through it well. And on the cropping front, we're starting to see spring crops go in. The autumn crops that went in are now getting a bit of nitrogen applied to them to offset the losses during the rain, and grain is also starting to shift with prices up around $20 to $30 a tonne. The New Zealand dollar is up around 81.70 this morning from about 81 yesterday. Now there are several factors behind that. One is Fitch confirmed New Zealand's sovereign credit rating, so that is a positive. In contrast, Moody's warned the US that it could strip it of its AAA credit rating if it doesn't do something about its debt levels. Now we're going to have quite an action-packed time for markets over the next couple of days. First up, overnight, we've got the German Constitutional Court ruling on one of the permanent rescue funds that's going to be helping Europe out. So it's expected to go through, but there'll be a lot of watching on that. We also have the Reserve Bank making its announcement on Thursday morning. It's expected to keep rates on hold. There's likely to be more focus on that higher currency and also a little bit of concern expressed over parts of the world that seem to be weakening, such as China and Australia. Lastly, the Federal Reserve at 4 AM on Friday morning is widely expected to announce another round of quantitative easing. There's been so much anticipation of that markets are thoroughly building it in, so it would be quite a surprise to markets if the Federal Reserve didn't actually follow through at this particular meeting.